Here's a 2017 Ford Explorer XLT, 33,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in blue. Really nice 7-passenger SUV here. And one thing that Ford does with the XLT, which is the mid-level trim, is you can get it equipped kind of a la carte, if you will, all the way up to almost what a limited trim would have on its standard. And this vehicle is kind of like that. It has a lot of the premium features on an XLT trim, which gives you the best of both worlds, because you essentially get the lower price because it is technically an XLT trim, but you get the amenities of a limited, some of them at least. So let's go ahead and walk the car here and show you what we got. We got the halogen headlamps with the LED markers at the lower bumper fascia. 17, they changed the front end and the grille there. Good looking front end as we come around to the side. Got the standard alloy 5-spoke wheel. We also got like new, if not brand new tires, and you can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. I'll show you that soon, but I want to show you one of the upgrades you'll notice right away than your standard XLT is we do have a dual full power seats, 10-way with the lumbar. We also got leather covered seats, not cloth. Ebony leather, 2 bucket seats, console in between. A little bit of brushed aluminum highlights throughout the center spline and the door panel, but otherwise a charcoal interior. Let's go ahead and take a look in the glove box here. We do have the books up there in the shelf, and we also got this report that I spoke of, and you can see it is brand new tires, 12/32 on the tires all the way around. Looks like 90% on the front brakes, and we put brand new rear brakes on. So we completely go over. We do not skimp on reconditioning, guys, just to beat somebody by $10 on the internet. We completely go over these vehicles. In this case, all new tires, new rear brakes, and about 80 to 90% wear left on the front. As we look in through this middle row, you can see it is a bench seat, so it is technically 8-passenger seating, I guess you would say, probably 7. That's a little more comfortable with 2 in the back. And then you can see on the back of the console here, we got climate control, and we got a 12-volt power supply, 2 cup holders as well. So allows the middle row occupants to stay comfortable and connected. A simple hand lever here will allow access on a slide to the rear seat, but I just want to show you, there's ample leg, hip, and shoulder room on that rear seat there for your 2 occupants in the back to give you that 7-passenger seating. Again, brand new tires all the way around. Let's come around to the back. Of course, it's a 4-wheel drive. XLT, as we spoke of, does have the backup camera, and another upgrade, power liftgate. So again, a lot of your standard XLTs don't have that, but this does. See the button there to put it down. We also got real simple stow features here with the pull straps. If you need more cargo, these will flip down quite easily. We also have another 12-volt power supply there as well. So you can see the directions here on how to stow those seats right on the back. So Ford makes it pretty simple. Let's continue around here to the side. You can see all the tires match and are new, of course. It's a very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. All Fords give you the combo entry exit. Allows you to leave the proximity key in and the vehicle running while you run quick errands. You can see their full power seat on the driver's side as well. And just real quick, we got the power locks, mirrors, and windows located right there on the side. Also want to show you, we do promise 2 sets of keys, but another upgrade this XLT has over your standard is the remote start to go along with that power liftgate on the integrated keyless entry fob. So let's go ahead and hop in and go ahead and put our foot in the brake. Start it up. Well, it starts. Another thing we always give is, you can see the Carfax here. No accidents or damage, 1 owner, 8 service records. Personal lease trade or turn in, so it's an off lease vehicle. It's as good as it gets Carfax wise. We got the buttons here for the fog lights, dome light. We also got your automatic headlamp controls, your dimmer for your interior, another button for your power lift gate. Stem to the left, high beams turn signals. Right, intermittent wiper washers front and rear. Control pad for your left screen here on the side. You can see tire pressure monitoring, different gauge layouts, distance to empty, intelligent 4-wheel drive. And then we got your entertainment, nav if equipped, audio, all those controls here. Cruise controls to the lower left, Bluetooth sync hands-free to the right. on here, you can see one thing it has: heated steering wheel. Another awesome upgrade on an XLT. And then we got audio controls here for the AM FM satellite radio. We got dual climate control, as you can see. Of course, the ability to pair your phone. Does not have factory navigation, but you got all your radio upgrades there. And let's turn that down a little bit. And then we do another upgrade: heated leather seats. So we got the heated seats on both sides with your dual climate. And then down here you can see USB and a 12-volt power supply. You do have the sport shift mode on your automatic transmission. Allows you to use the cool paddle shifters here to upshift and downshift through the multi-speed transmission. Very important in our area, which is a little hilly. And then you can see there we have the 2 cup holders. You do have your 4-wheel drive or off-road selector, so right now it's in standard. We also have off-road, sand, and snow. The button in the center is your downhill descent control to hold you back. Just coming down the mountain. Looks like in here, got another USB port. I don't notice another 12-volt power supply, but there may be one buried down there. There's all kinds of those in this vehicle. We also have an automatic dim on your rear view, 2 LED map lights, illuminated visors on the driver and the passenger side. So go ahead and take a peek underneath the hood. You see a foot pedal there for your emergency brake. And I believe we have the 6-cylinder in this one. Yes, we do. 3.5 liter V6. Very clean, quiet. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminal. Well maintained by the previous owner. Go ahead and shut this vehicle off. We'll get into the last portion of the video here. Again, all new tires, new rear brakes, 80-90% on the front. One owner, no accidents. Clean auto history on an off-lease, personal lease vehicle. Last part of making informed buying decisions: Cosmetic Appearance. Just going to kind of walk the car here, show you any minor imperfections. We do only try to get the cleanest off-lease vehicles in this case, or fleet. Little tiny stone chip up there, but we do our very, very best. We want to give you a like new vehicle at a used car price. We do have a little bit of scuffing here, very common. You can see the scratches. We've touched some up just from loading and unloading luggage or cargo into the hatch area. It's very common there on the bumper cover. A fairly decent sized scratch right there that we touched up, and another one here on the vertical side. So really, majority of the scratches right there on that one panel on the rear fascia. Working our way up the passenger side, couple little stone chips, little minor scratch here that we buffed almost completely out. And otherwise looks pretty good up the fender, dent and scratch wise. Couple little stone chips, a little bit of dirt there on the fender. Couple little bug damage stone chips, a little dirt there on the front bumper cover. And the hood the same way, a little bit of dirt there, and couple little stone chips. But all in all, guys, very nice, clean, like new alternative. Does still have the remainder of the powertrain warranty transferable forward to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or finally, shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.